In this exercise, I'm going to demonstrate a couple of practical uses of list comprehensions. So we're going to open a new program. We'll call it listcomp.py. For the first example, I'm going to find all of the even numbers in a range. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a range of numbers from 1 to 100, stored in a list. Then I'm going to write a list comprehension to find even numbers. And you can do that by including an if statement in the list comprehension, just like that. So we're saying pull out x for x in n if x mod 2 is equal to 0. Remember that any number mod 2, if it's equal to 0, then it's even. Here we're replacing some sort of computation, like square x or divide x by some number, with an if statement that will return x if this condition is met. So when we're finished, we can print the list of even numbers. So let's save it. Run our program, and there's our even numbers, 2 through 100. And if you notice, they're all even. So that's one example. Let's look at one more example. Let's say I want to print the length of all of the words in a sentence. So here's my sentence. I need to continue it on the next line, like so. Now I need to get the string into a list, and I can do that using a special string function called split. Split takes a single argument, a delimiter, and then it will break up a string into list elements at that delimiter. So what I'm telling here is to split sentence on space and store each resulting word in the list words. Now I'm assuming a well-formed sentence without any punctuation marks. So once we have that, then we're ready to write the list comprehension. So we're going to create a new list called wlen for word length. Here I want to create a list of tuples that includes the word and the length of the word for word in words, just like that. So for each word in the list words, I want to create a tuple of the word and the length of the word and store it in wlen. Then when I'm finished, I can say for I in wlen print I. So let's save it. Clear the screen. And there's our list. As an exercise for the viewer, you can take this and sort it into order so that the smallest words are at the top and the largest words are at the bottom. In the meantime, we've run out of time for this exercise, and with that, we close out this chapter on list comprehensions.